here. And then the sides. I did my little edges, and I kept the bang. At first I was trying to figure out, did I really want the bang? Okay.
Before you even knew that you would even be able to afford.
I'm watching Arnell Armand. Y'all know I love the girls.
Yeah, let's talk about that now.
I love the girls.
Kind of like
the girls.
Made it seem like okay, like I was happy.
No. Okay, so basically, I always say basically, like y'all crooked. I know that. But I'm at the beauty supply store. This is my. Oh my God! Quick hands, quick hands. This is pretty much my last day. Not pretty much, this is, baby, this is my last day at work. My hair is so rough, it's ridiculous, but y'all know when I'm working, I'm on the grind. I don't give a fuck how I look, because I'm getting to that money, okay? I get the money, okay? Yeah, so my hair is all over my head, and I'm thinking about doing like a long braid, but I feel like I've done a long braid twice, but I feel like I want to sauce it up with like a bang or something. So I'm here at the beauty supply store, and I need to go get some hair, but I also need to go to work. Are you fucking serious? Anyway, y'all, yeah, I need to get the hair, but I also need to go to work. So I mean, they ain't gonna miss me at work or whatever. I'll probably be like 5 minutes late, but my hair is much more important, okay? It's more important. So let me know if y'all want me to do like a tutorial with my hair or whatever. I'll probably just do that off the strength of, because you know, content is key, babe. Content is key. So anyway, let me stop rambling with y'all. Let's go ahead and go into this place.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that heat of love. I wanna ride the all night, working in the middle. I wanna ride the all night, working in the middle. I wanna
so right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what's you, what we've been through, I miss you. And you
my slumber. I wish I could call you up, miss how you'd put your love on me.
Boy, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch
on to you. I'll be clinging on to you. And then again, orbiting around and then cycle back around to you. Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around. Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, you're turning me eternally. Living on my own again. Reaching out to hold your hand. I wanna be alone with you. Can I be alone? Can I be alone with you? If you can, take my hand. I promise we'll find love again. Love again.
Did it come out good? My shit came out good. Yeah, stop playing with me. You know, I could do a little 1-2 number here. And then the sides. I did my little edges and I kept the bang. At first I was trying to figure out, did I really want the bang? I had to do the last part of the video on my vlogging camera because my DSLR went dead. So yeah, so this is how my hair came out, you know. Very cute, just a simple style that can kind of like dress up anything you got going on. So this is one of my go-to styles for my natural hair. I tend to like to have styles that are like easy to maintain, so I don't have to be doing a whole lot to them. So yeah, Did it come out good? So this is it. This is the finished style, and I hope this video helps you guys. Y'all should check out some of my other hair videos. I do a few things here and there, but this is really one of my go-to styles that I do quite often, and it's very cheap. The hair is like $5 or $6. So anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all, and I will see y'all on the next go round. Make sure y'all let me know what other content y'all want to see, so I can keep the videos coming for y'all. So anyway, love you guys as usual. Don't forget to subscribe, and bye.